In the new V36, BobCAD-CAM has a new feature in milling called Avoid Air Machining. This feature can be used with the offset cut pattern, and it is found in the advanced settings on the options page. Avoid Air Machining takes the tool diameter into consideration and eliminates any unnecessary toolpath in areas that have already been machined. This is a great way to eliminate those extra few passes in the toolpath. This can occur when the step over is continued to completion along the part face using the offset pattern.